Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
Grow English course.
Hooray!
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. And how are you?
I'm well, thanks. Do you know where is Mrs. Vita?
I really don't know. Maybe she is. I really don't know. Do you need her?
Yes, I need her
Why?
because her parent asked to me.
I don't know. Maybe she is in Angel's home.
Hello guys, good afternoon.
Hello.
Where do you come from?
I was in Obi's home.
What do you do in there?
I do homework. Hello everybody.
Hello. Your parent looking for you.
What happened?
I don't know.
Sit down please.
I have breaking news. After this, I will go home.
What is the breaking news?
I see people fall.
Really? Where?
Yes, over there.
I hope he is okay.
What are those, Mr. Agung?
These are trees.
Where were you on last week?
I don't remember where I was there.
You have brother?
Yes, I have. I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Aldo.
How is your brother, Mr. Iwan?
My brother is fine.
And who is your brother?
My brother is a pilot.
Where does your brother work?
He works in another country.
When will your brother go home?
My brother will go home at July 2nd next year.
Can you tell me the correct time?
No, I can't because I don't have watch.
What day is today?
Today is Friday.
Where were you on Saturday?
I was in my grandma's home.
How many brother do you have, Mrs. Laras?
I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Afan.
How do you spell your brother's first name, Mr. Iwan?
Rivaldo. Rivaldo.
Mr. Agung, your brother is a chef, isn't he?
Yes, my brother is chef.
What time does your brother work usually?
He work at 9 p.m. usually.
Who is that over there?
Maybe he is only a visitor.
Last month was August, wasn't it?
No, last month was not August.
Where were you at 7:15 p.m. yesterday, Mrs. Laras?
I don't remember where I was then.
A lot of friends.
How can you forget our old friends, DJ and Gugun?
Oh yeah. By the way, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you. Are you fine, Raf?
Yes, I am. I have a great day.
Okay, don't forget. Okay, goodbye, Raf.
Wait. I just remember I have another appointment.
Look.
Let's change the schedule.
Look, what happened now? What appointment do you have?
I have to submit my homework in this time.
Okay. How about on Monday, Raf?
It is good.
Okay, Raf. See you tomorrow, Raf. At 7:30 a.m.
Yes, I am. But probably in wrong number.
Is this Idilian Guntoro JL?
Yes, I am. But I know your name. Who are you?
I am Gugun. My name is Mok Gunawan Aju. Don't you remember?
Oh my God, my old friend number.
Yes, how are you, bro?
Good, everything is good.
Can you join us
I will be there tomorrow.
at 7:30 a.m.? See you.
Sir, please come this way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse.
What is this? Is this chicken geprek? That is a new menu for breakfast. And what are these? These are dessert.
What another do you have?
We have chicken geprek, burger, pizza, and for the drink we have cafe latte, orange juice, milkshake, and iced tea.
Okay. What will you order, guys?
I will have burger and iced tea.
I will have a pizza and coffee latte.
I want a pizza and a glass iced tea. Please, what do you want to eat first?
Same as roughly. I want eat pizza and coffee latte. We will order 1 burger, 3 pizza, 2 coffee latte, and 2 iced tea.
I'm sorry, we have run out of burger, but we still have chicken geprek. I really want a burger. It's okay. We have chicken geprek. You can have it for free. Free? You are very kind. Yes, you can buy anything you want. Okay, I will have chicken geprek. Yes. Lava cake, iced tea, and coffee latte. Okay, 1 lava cake, 1 burger, 3 pizza, 3 coffee latte, 2 iced tea, and 3 milkshake.
Hello, Mrs. Mala. Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And how are you?
I'm very well too, thank you.
Sit down, please. How is your family?
My family is fine. Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have cousin.
What's your cousin name?
My cousin name is Rafi.
Who are those people?
There are Mr. Rafi and Mr. Angga.
Can you tell them?
Yes, I can. Hello, brother.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Fikri.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Rafi.
How are you this afternoon?
I am very well, thank you. And how are you?
I am pretty well. How is Mrs. Mala?
Mrs. Mala is fine. My family is fine.
Are you a student, Mr. Fikri?
Yes, I am student. And who are you?
I am a student too.
What's your complete name, Mr. Rafi?
My complete name is Rafi Salim Raswadharma. So, how do you spell your last name, Mr. Fikri?
Asidiki. A-S-S-I-D-D-I-Q-I-A. Hello guys, I'm coming.
Hello.
Hello. What's the date today, Mr. Fikri? Today is November 30, 2020. And what's the day today? What day today? Today is Friday.
Were you in here yesterday, Mrs. Mala?
No, I was not in here yesterday.
So, where were you yesterday?
I was in my home yesterday.
But you are in here on May, weren't you?